everyone. This is Mansi Jayan Mhatre, student of Shivajirao Chonle College of Pharmacy, Asangaon, studying in final year B Pharmacy. Today I am going to explain you about drug nitrates as an anti-anginal agent guided by Dr. Nitin Mohire, professor and principal of our college. Let's first discuss about angina. Angina is an ischemic heart disease which caused due to the imbalance between myocardium oxygen demand and oxygen supply. It is characterized by sudden chest pain radiating towards left arm, shoulder and jaw. Etiology: atherosclerosis in less than 90% of cases, coronary artery spasm, use of cocaine, blockage of coronary artery by blood clot or compression, inflammation or infection of coronary artery, injury to coronary artery and poor functioning of tiny blood vessels. Types of angina pectoris. First is stable angina, which is also known as typical and classic type of angina. It is most common type of angina. It occurs during emotional stress and heavy exercise. It is easily predictable and treated with rest and nitroglycerin. It occurs due to atherosclerosis. Second is variant angina, also known as Prince-Mettels angina. It occurs in rest and caused due to the spasm of coronary artery. Third is unstable angina. It is also known as uncommon or typical type of angina. It occurs in exercise and also during the rest. Prolonged angina may lead to myocardial infarction. It is unpredictable type of angina. Anti-anginal drugs. Drugs that used to prevent, abort or terminate anginal attacks. Classification of anti-anginal drugs. First is nitrates, which include short-acting and long-acting. In short-acting, glyceryl trinitrites, that is nitroglycerin. In long-acting, isosorbide dinitrite and isosorbide mononitrate. Second is beta blockers, which includes propranolol, metoprolol, atenolol and others. Third is calcium channel blockers, including verapamil, diltiazem, nifedipamine, etc. Fourth is potassium channel opener, which includes nicorandil and others, dipyridamole, trimetazidine, ranolazine, etc. Let's see nitrates. What are nitrates? Nitrates are prodrugs that are sources of nitric oxide. We are going to see nitroglycerin as nitrates. So molecular formula of nitroglycerin is C3H5N3O9. IUPAC name of nitroglycerin is 1,2,3 trinitroxypropane. Pharmacodynamics of nitroglycerin or nitrates. It relaxes vascular smooth muscles and dilates both arterial and venous muscles. Mechanism of action. Nitrates or nitroglycerin denitrated in smooth muscle cells and causing releases nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is potent vasodilator which stimulates soluble guanyl cyclase which increases cyclic GMP level causing dephosphorylation. It decreases phosphorylated myosin light chain. That's why myosin fails to interact with actin and cause relaxation of smooth muscles, which ultimately caused vasodilation, dilation of coronary vessels and reduces heart need of oxygen. Uses: anti-anginal, vasodilator, antihypertensive, control heart failure in myocardial infarction. Side effects and adverse effects. Side effects: flushing of face, restlessness, headache, large dose cause vomiting, palpitation, weakness and dizziness, commonly called as Monday disease, methemoglobinemia in high doses. Adverse effects on central nervous system: thrombic headache in greater than 50% of cases and can be severe, dizziness, vertigo, lightheadedness in 5%, syncope in 4% with high doses. Cardiovascular system: postural hypotension which is frequent and tachycardia. On other systems, skin rashes and contact dermatitis which is rare, withdrawal reactions like digitalis vasospasm, coronary spasms, etc. Pharmacokinetic. Absorption: oral, generally low, but isosorbide mononitrate is greater than 95%. Sublingual is 10 to 60% and transdermal is 50 to 90%. Distribution in all body tissues including brain. Metabolism is greater than 99%, mainly in liver by a high capacity nitrate reductase. Half-life is very variable. Sublingual nitroglycerin 2 to 3 minutes. Oral isosorbate mononitrate is 4 to 5 hours. Excretion is in urine and bile. Safety precautions. It is not safe in children, but it may be given to your child for some other reasons, which you can consult with your doctor. It is safe in lactating women. Use in lactating mothers is likely to be rare. It is not safe in pregnancy, but safety and effectiveness of nitrates in pregnant women has not been established yet. Nitrate should be given to the pregnant woman only if it is clearly needed. There is no data available for food interactions with nitrates. Dosage: IV injection 25 mg, buccal tablets 5 mg, buccal spray 0.4 mg. Dosage form: nitrates are available in tablets, transdermal patches, and sublingual sprays and IV injections. We'll see about brand names, company names, and cost. First is Nitrocontin 2.6 mg by Modimundi Pharma, and cost per 10 tablets is 94 rupees. Second is Sorbitrate 5 mg by Abbott, and cost per 10 tablets is rupees 7. Note: amyl nitrite and sodium nitrite are also used as antidote in cyanide poisoning. We are thankful to our President, Honorable Dr. Shivaji Rao Jonle Sir, Secretary Honorable Dr. Geeta Khare Ma'am, and Principal Dr. Nitin Mohire Sir for encouragement and guidance for efficient use of social media to spread knowledge. Through making informative videos, please like and subscribe our channel for such informative videos. Thank you.